Hello. Did you know about a modifier called Path Deform? Deform along a path. With it, you can make things like ropes and many other different objects. Watch this. I have a polyline and 4 small cylinders. Let's make our cylinder a bit longer. For example, 131. That will make it a bit bigger. Maybe let's make it a little smaller. And of course, let's add some segmentation. See, they're divided up. Let's convert it to an editable poly. Place it in the center and apply a twist. Woo-hoo! We get a rope. Now let's add Path Deform. Path Deform. Path. And we get a little rope along our path.